So what is a contact in Salesforce Marketing Cloud? We heard about subscribers. Subscribers are the entities who have opted in to receive communications from your company. If they have opted for email communications, they become your email studio subscribers and they are added to all subscribers list inside email studio. Similarly, if a subscriber is subscribed for receiving push notifications from your app, they are called as push subscribers and are available inside push notification section of your Salesforce Marketing Cloud org. It is important to understand that there should be a single place where all the activities, all the channel addresses of an entity is available. For example, if I am a subscriber of both Email Studio and Mobile Push, the requirement of an organization is to view me at a single place. So where they can view all the channel addresses, activities associated for myself inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. They can view all these details inside all contacts section inside Contact Builder. So all contacts section inside Contact Builder contains contact information. You can call me as an Email Studio subscriber, as a push notification subscriber, as SMS subscriber. But for Marketing Cloud, I am a single contact who is subscribed to receive communications via email, who is subscribed to receive communication via push, who is subscribed to receive communication via SMS or any other channel you have integrated with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud treats me as a single contact, though I am subscribed to multiple channels, but for Marketing Cloud, I am a single contact and all my activities will be visible inside all contacts section inside Contact Builder. So now what is the difference between all contacts and all subscribers? All subscribers are the concept or is the concept inside Email Studio where all the subscribers opted to receive communications via emails are stored. But all contacts are the contact database inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It contains those data as well who are not your Email Studio subscriber. For example, there is a third person who is just subscribed to receive push notifications from your app, but has not opted in to receive email communications. So he is not your Email Studio subscriber. He will not be present inside all subscribers inside Email Studio, but he will be present in all contacts where his channel address for push notification, that means app ID, will be mentioned. But the email channel inside the all contacts for my contact or for that particular contact won't be available. So technically it is possible that a contact can not be a subscriber. Like a person who has opted to receive only mobile communications will only have mobile subscription inside all contacts, but will not have email subscriptions inside all contacts. And if he is not subscribed to email communications, he will not be present inside all subscribers of Email Studio. How you create a contact data? To create a contact data, you have multiple ways. You can directly import the data inside the Contact Builder. You can send communications to a data extension or a list. It creates contact data inside all contacts. The same way, when we send email communication to a list or a data extension, it creates all subscribers. The same way, all contact is also registered. All contact data can come from Salesforce data synchronization from Sales Service Cloud. All contacts can be created via API, and there are multiple different other ways you can create all contact data. So in short, a contact is an entity who has subscribed to any of the communications or has not subscribed. It is not important.